How to watch live football on YouTube TV and the MLB app. Step number 1. Ensure you have a subscription to YouTube TV. Make sure you have an active YouTube TV subscription. New users can start a free trial and cancel anytime. Step number 2. Access live football games on YouTube TV. Open the YouTube TV app and use the search bar to find NFL content. Visit the NFL's page to find live games. On Sundays, games should appear on the Home and Live tabs. Step number 3. Add Sports Plus for NFL RedZone. If you want to access NFL RedZone, which provides live coverage of Sunday afternoon games, subscribe to the Sports Plus add-on. Step number 4. Use Cloud DVR to record games. Take advantage of YouTube TV's Cloud DVR to record live games and watch them later. This feature offers unlimited storage. Step number 5. Download the MLB app. Install the MLB app on your smartphone or tablet from the App Store. Step number 6. Access live football on the MLB app. While the MLB app primarily focuses on baseball, you can also get real-time updates for sports events. To watch live football, consider using additional sports streaming apps or services through your device. Step number 7. Choose between free or premium content on the MLB app. You can access free in-game highlights and select live games. For full access to live out-of-market games, including home and away broadcasts, subscribe to MLB.tv. Step number 8. Ensure compatibility with your device. Both YouTube TV and the MLB app work on smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, and streaming devices.